Hi, this is Brahmkamal Plant. This plant has been at my home for around 9 years. It took almost 2 years for the first bloom. It requires a lot of patience, but you will definitely get flowers. In the last few years, the bloom yielded 5 to 9 flowers. And this year, it bloomed twice. The total yield is around 30 flowers. I have given branches to some of my friends and relatives already. I have heard that leaves can be planted, but I have never tried. It requires a shady area and indirect sunlight. I had planted this in a small pot first, then last year I shifted this to a large grow bag. I make compost at home, so I regularly add compost to this. I have added cow dung to this grow bag while shifting. It has a nice soothing fragrance. The blooming season is monsoon and mostly July. This plant is very resilient and thrives in adverse conditions. Do plant it at your home and happy gardening.